How do you design your home to connect with the nature surrounding it? This Tennessee home does exactly that. So as you can see, we started with a muddy field, and what an incredible transformation. You truly cannot recognize the space. Everything is different, and I can't wait to walk through every single detail. Every detail in this client's yard was designed to reflect back to the beautiful nature surrounding it. This home is located in the rolling hills of Tennessee, and we wanted to make sure that it felt like a seamless transition from indoors to outdoors, and that everything draws your eye through to the beautiful open nature surrounding it. Another factor we had to take into consideration is the local climate. There is snow falling. Now, I know Tennessee is usually considered a pretty temperate climate, but there can be extreme shifts in the winter months. So we had to take that into account and really create a space that could be used throughout the year. One of my favorite features of this entire yard is the outdoor living room, and I use that word without any exaggeration because that is exactly what it is, an outdoor living room. We have a full outdoor kitchen, full living space, and it's equipped with heaters and fans for any temperature fluctuations. But this space, and it's fully covered with full shade, this space is meant to be used throughout the year, and I love that it's so spacious. So this is something that was built into the architecture of the home, but it just complemented the design so well because it just makes this yard so much more versatile, and our clients can use it throughout the year. And what I love most about this space is that these wide openings are almost like picture frames, which really set off the space. And once again, just set off the beautiful view of the green rolling hills. And then as we move through the yard, one thing that we made sure to strategically locate was the jacuzzi. Now, as you can see, this is an oversized spa with a beautiful infinity edge, but we always want it to be located somewhat close to the house, especially in an area that does have cold winter months. We want it to be you open a door and you come as close as possible to your door so that you don't have any time where you're just outside shivering before you can jump into your spa and enjoy that hot water. So one thing I want you to notice about this lot as we analyze it is that everything is oversized, from the spa to the pool to the living spaces, and that's really important in good design when you think about proportion. You want everything to feel like it fits. This is a large home. It opens into what seems to be an infinite natural green space. So we really want to make sure that nothing feels small given the things around it, given the elements around it. Another feature that I love is this louvered patio. Now, we use these quite often in our designs, and the reason we love them, first of all, is that they are prefabbed. So really, they can work in any design you have, any space, and they're very cost efficient for what they do. What I love is that depending on the type of weather you're having that day, they can be fully open, they can be fully closed, but they're just so versatile. And like I said, super cost effective, much more cost effective than building a custom patio structure. And like I said, you get so much more use out of it. Next, we have our lounge spaces. So this yard actually has two of them. They're side by side. They're specifically angled out to have a gorgeous view. So we have the fire pit area, and then next to that, we have the sun deck. And what I especially love about the fire pit seating is that your eye, to take in that whole view, actually has to skim over the water. There's something so luxurious about being by a large body of water and feeling like you can't see a single building. You just feel like you're in this very remote location, even though it's actually not, but you just feel so connected to nature, and that's why we specifically put the fire pit area exactly where it is. This pool has an infinity edge, a massive Baja shelf, which is so important, especially if you have kids, because that is an area that they get so much use out of in the pool. Stepping stones. Like I said, this is a very minimal design, but it's very effective because, once again, everything in this yard is about understated elegance. And one thing that we love at Foxterra is that all of our designs have a 2-for-1 experience, and that's the daytime experience and the nighttime experience. So check out how much it shines at night and what a beautiful space it is to be in with all the LED lights, the lights going through the pool water, just reflecting off of the house. Totally different experience at night than from the day. And even the fire adding this soft, cozy glow, once again, that will be used throughout the year. This is a fully different experience at night than during the day. So one thing I do want to point out about this design is it's actually pretty simple, but it packs a punch. And I just want to remind everyone who's watching that you do not need a full list of bells and whistles to have a beautiful space. It's always about taking in every factor into consideration, starting with the architecture of the home to the surrounding environment, and understanding how all these things work together to create a beautiful space. And if you made it to the end of this video, let us know what your favorite feature is in the comments. And if you want to see more yard tours like this one, make sure to like and subscribe. And make sure to check out this video next that YouTube is recommending specifically for you.